severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dekalb County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hampshire, or near Genoa, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Dekalb, Carpentersville, Hunley, Sycamore, Canton Hills, Genoa, Green Grove, Gilberts, Hampshire, Elgin, Cortland, Lily Lake, Burlington, and Virgil. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
What?
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. A strong thunderstorm will impact south central Ogle and Lee Counties through 7